Honey, do you think my legs are too hairy?
Yes. Let me shave your legs.
Oh! Ah, honey, what is this?
This is the ToAuto digital hair removal kit. Digital display screen, adjustable temperature from 40 Celsius to 120 Celsius. Portable design, non-slip rubber feet. Handle on each side. Removable wax pot, middle material for faster heating. Holds 14 ounces wax beans, ideal for home use to get hair removal done. Let's try it. First, put the collars on the wax melting pot. Then pour the vector wax beans. Okay, turn on the machine and adjust the temperature to the highest.
Honey, your coffee.
Thank you. Now, we only need to wait 10 minutes.
Really? So fast?
Let's see how the wax beans melt. Stir it up with a wooden stick. Look, it really melted after 10 minutes. We adjusted the temperature to 40 degrees Celsius to keep warm. Okay, we can do pre-hair removal care.
Hot towel for you. Please be gentle. Pre-wax essential oil wipes.
I have to put finger cots on. Are you ready? I'm about to start.
Yes, of course.
Need to smooth it out. Cover with depilatory paper. Wow, it is great. Do you like this ToAuto digital hair removal kit?